Tired of endless job searches? I used AI to find remote jobs in the USA, and here's how you can too. Welcome to this tutorial on using AI to find remote jobs in the USA. As a job seeker, you're likely tired of scrolling through endless job listings, only to find that they're not a good fit. That's where AI job finder tools come in. In this video, we'll cover how to use AI to streamline your job search, optimize your resume, and increase your chances of landing a remote job. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use AI to find remote jobs in the USA. The first step in using AI to find remote jobs is to identify the right tools. There are several AI job finder tools available, including Jasper and Notion. These tools use natural language processing to match your skills and experience with job listings. To get started, simply sign up for an account and fill out your profile. Be sure to include your relevant work experience, skills, and education. This will help the AI algorithm to provide you with accurate job matches. For example, if you're a software engineer with experience in Java, the AI tool will match you with job listings that require Java skills. By using AI job finder tools, you can save time and increase your chances of finding a remote job that's a good fit. Once you've identified the right tools, it's time to optimize your job search. This involves using specific keywords and phrases in your job search queries. For example, if you're looking for a remote job as a software engineer, you might use keywords like remote software engineer or Java developer. You can also use tools like Grammarly to help you optimize your resume and cover letter. Grammarly uses AI to analyze your writing and provide suggestions for improvement. By using the right keywords and optimizing your application materials, you can increase your chances of getting noticed by potential employers. Additionally, you can use AI tools to research companies and find job openings that may not be advertised on traditional job boards. Another way to use AI to find remote jobs is to leverage social media. Platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter can be great resources for finding job openings and connecting with potential employers. You can use AI tools to analyze your social media presence and provide suggestions for improvement. For example, you can use AI to analyze your LinkedIn profile and provide suggestions for optimizing your headline and summary. By having a strong social media presence, you can increase your visibility and attract potential employers. Additionally, you can use AI to research companies and find job openings that may not be advertised on traditional job boards. For instance, you can use AI to analyze a company's website and provide suggestions for job openings that may be available. In addition to using AI job finder tools and optimizing your job search, it's also important to build a strong resume. Your resume should highlight your relevant work experience, skills, and education. You can use AI tools to help you build a strong resume. For example, you can use Jasper to generate a resume based on your profile and experience. Jasper uses natural language processing to analyze your experience and generate a resume that highlights your strengths. By having a strong resume, you can increase your chances of getting noticed by potential employers and landing a remote job. Additionally, you can use AI to tailor your resume to specific job openings and increase your chances of getting hired. When it comes to applying for remote jobs, it's also important to prepare for virtual interviews. Virtual interviews can be challenging, but there are several AI tools that can help you prepare. For example, you can use AI to practice your responses to common interview questions. AI can analyze your responses and provide suggestions for improvement. Additionally, you can use AI to research the company and practice your responses to company-specific questions. By being prepared for virtual interviews, you can increase your chances of landing a remote job. For instance, you can use AI to analyze the company's website and provide suggestions for questions to ask during the interview. Finally, it's also important to stay organized during your job search. This involves keeping track of the jobs you've applied for, the interviews you've had, and the follow-up actions you need to take. You can use AI tools to help you stay organized. For example, you can use Notion to create a job search dashboard that tracks your progress and provides reminders for follow-up actions. By staying organized, you can increase your chances of landing a remote job and reduce stress during the job search process. Additionally, you can use AI to analyze your job search data and provide suggestions for improvement. For instance, you can use AI to analyze the types of jobs you've applied for and provide suggestions for job openings that may be a good fit. In addition to using AI to find remote jobs, it's also important to consider the benefits and drawbacks of remote work. Remote work can offer flexibility and autonomy, but can also be isolating and require self-motivation. By understanding the benefits and drawbacks of remote work, you can make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. Additionally, you can use AI to research companies and find job openings that offer a good work-life balance. For example, you can use AI to analyze a company's website and provide suggestions for job openings that offer flexible work arrangements. By considering the benefits and drawbacks of remote work, you can increase your chances of finding a remote job that's a good fit for your needs and lifestyle. Another important consideration when using AI to find remote jobs is data privacy. When using AI job finder tools, you'll need to provide personal data, such as your resume and contact information. It's essential to ensure that the AI tool you're using is secure and compliant with data protection regulations. You can research the AI tool's data protection policies and read reviews from other users to ensure that it's trustworthy. By taking steps to protect your data, you can use AI to find remote jobs with confidence. For instance, you can use AI to analyze the AI tool's data protection policies and provide suggestions for improvement. Finally, it's also important to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI job finder tools. The field is constantly evolving, and new tools and features are being developed all the time. You can follow industry leaders and blogs to stay informed about the latest developments and trends. Additionally, you can use AI to analyze industry trends and provide suggestions for job openings that may be a good fit.